Dear students, welcome back to our Home Education Solutions second video about board paper pattern. As far as board paper pattern is concerned, it is of two parts. One is 80 marks, that is called practical, what we are going to appear in our board exam, and rest 20 marks will be given by college from your practical theory work. So paper pattern, we are having in all 7 questions. Question number 1, one by one we are going to discuss. Question number 1 is of 15 marks, where you will be given 5 options A, B, C and D. First will be answering one word. Second, you will be having true false. Third, you will be having options, that is correct alternate, that is out of A, B, C, D, one you have to select. And fourth, you will be having true or false. And fifth will be of bills of exchange, that is pro forma bill of exchange. Out of that, any 3 we have to attempt. Normally we suggest students should go for answering one word, we should go for true false, and we can go for pro forma bill of exchange. Question 4. Now come to question number 2. That is, again it is having internal option. That is in question itself, we are given to either or. We have to attempt any one. The first will be practical problem on single entry system, which is of 8 marks. And the second question is your theory question. Here we will get 2 questions, 4 marks each. So out of that, any one we have to attempt. Normally the teacher suggests that you should go for practical question, that is practical question of single entry. Then question number 3, it is about your reconstitution of partnership. Reconstitution consists of 3 parts. 1, admission, retirement, death. Normally the question, again here we are having internal options, that is admission with retirement, admission with death. Correct? Either we will be getting, admission question will be common. That is the first part, but in the other part we will be having other 2. Either you will be asked at dissolution, or you will be asked, either you will be asked for what, retirement, or you will be asked for death. Out of that, any one we have to attempt. It is again, it is of 8 marks, 10 marks. Then question number 4, again it is of 10 marks. It is about bills of exchange. Normally in bills of exchange, we have 2 types. That is called proper trading bills of account or accommodation of bills of account. So out of that, any one question will be asked. It is of 10 marks. Here we have to pass only journal entries. Then we will come to question number 5. Again it is having internal option. Here we have to attempt any one. So in this question, we are having in first part practical problem on dissolution. In other part we are having practical problem on reconstitution of shares and debentures. Our paper is for question number 6. The next part of our paper is question number 6. It is about NPO. NPO means non-profit association. Normally this accounting terminology is especially used for the organization we are not working for profit, like sports club, like hospitals, like doctors association or cooperative societies. And the last part of your paper, which is very important, it is about partnership final account, which every student must appear. It is of 15 marks. And now normally this question or this topic is available for the commerce student right from beginning of commerce studies like FYJC to till end where we are studying. So it is very important topic that is every student must appear. The partnership final account is important topic for commerce students. So this is So this was our paper pattern, what I explained. In upcoming lectures, myself, Professor Munim Jaiswal, we are going to explain and study the upcoming topics or the next topics of accountancy of 12th board in detail. So wait for Home Education Solutions upcoming videos, which is coming very soon, and it will be available for your service. So kindly share this video to maximum students so that they can get the benefit of these videos and they can solve their queries. Thank you.